Dear students, now I am going to explain one lesson to you. Refraction of light through curved surfaces. After observing this video, please like my video. Those not subscribed, subscribe it, please. Refraction through curved surface. This is our lesson. Okay, how the light is refracted through curved surface. Imagine one light ray passing like this. If any curved surface is here, then how it passes? Then this light ray, after falling on the curved surface, after meeting the surface here, maybe from here onwards it bends and refracts like this. That already we know. Okay, so a light ray which is passing through the curved surface maybe refracts and then moves. Okay, that we know already. Now, imagine here is a curved surface. Imagine here is this side one medium present, this side another medium there. Suppose imagine here is another medium. Imagine if this medium is bounded by two curved surfaces. So here is a medium. This medium is bounded by two curved surfaces. It is one curved surface, it is one curved surface. If any medium is bounded by two curved surfaces, that is called lens. It is said to be lens. So lens means what? Lens means a medium which is bounded by two curved surfaces. It is said to be a lens. So it is a lens. Okay. Then in this lens, two types are there. So lenses, two types. Then first thing, convex lens. Second, concave lens. First one, convex lens. Second one, concave lens. Okay, first one, convex lens. See, this is a convex lens. Why means this lens, when we observe, in the middle, that is very thick, in the edges, very thin there. See, the middle, very thick present, in the edges, thin present. Such a type of convex lens, such type of lens is said to be convex lens. So, two concave surfaces. This is one convex surface. This is one convex surface. In between two convex surfaces, one medium is bounded. So that is called convex lens. It is also called biconvex lens also. So it is a convex surface. It is a convex surface. In between two convex surfaces, one medium is bounded. What is this medium? Maybe glass, maybe water, maybe any medium is here bounded. So such type of lens is said to be convex lens or biconvex lens also. Then this is convex. Then concave lens. Imagine see this. In this also here is a one curved surface. here is one curved surface. In between these two curved surfaces, here one medium bounded. But these surfaces are concave surface. It is a concave, it is a convex surface, like this. But it is a concave surface. It is another concave surface. In between two concave surfaces, a medium is bounded, so it is called convex cave lens. It is also called biconcave lens also. So biconcave lens. These are biconvex lens. So lenses are two types: biconvex lens, biconcave lens. Now imagine if light is passing through the biconvex lens, how it is refracted. That's we want. In the same way, the light passes through the biconcave lens like this. How light is refracted, that we want to see.